This week on Gecko Adventures Australia's Campsite Cookups, Lynn shows us how to prepare her homestyle honey mustard chicken.
Hey guys, welcome back to Gecko Adventures Australia. I thought I'd do something a little bit different tonight. I'm going to cook hubby his favourite, which is my own honey mustard chicken. So I thought I'd just cook it up and bring you along with us and see how it goes. First of all, I should say, we've got the induction cooker out, and yes, I'm cooking inside today. So we're just going to start that one, put just a tad of oil in the pan. Now I've used 2 chicken breast fillets and I've just de-icked them and then cut them all up just in like cubes, and I'm just going to wait for that to heat up a little bit. Might actually get an onion out as well. Just cut up the onion, you just want to dice it, doesn't have to be perfect. The pan's getting hot. What I'm going to do is put in the chicken. Just want to get that nice and make sure it's cooked all the way through. And get a bit of a goldy brown colour on it. You see it's just cooking there. This is a household favourite in our family. When the kids were living at home, it was one of their favourites. They used to love it as well. We used to have it with mashed potato, and because you've got all the gravy and everything as well. But tonight I think we'll probably just have a little bit of rice with it. I'll let that brown up a little bit more. Add in some onion. Just turn up a little bit more. It's taken a while for me to get used to the induction. I'm used to cooking with gas. I've always had gas in our houses. So using the induction has definitely taken a little bit of time for me to get used to. But we're getting there. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. I do find being on the road that we probably cook one-pan meals more so than anything else now. I don't know, you've got a smaller caravan, you can't really carry like your steamer and your Thermomix, and so we've got the pan. We do have is it a Woolstead? Yeah, the Woolstead, although we haven't used that too much yet. So I tend to do like curries and everything as well this way, and then I'll just add some frozen veggies and curry, like your curry sauce, bit of rice. One way of getting veggies in, but I do miss my steamed veggies, I have to say. I might just add a bit of... So I've got a couple of different mustards. I've got my whole grain mustard, which I use the most of, so I use quite a bit of that one. Got that one. A bit of the old Frenchies mustard. Salt and pepper. Cream. I'll just mix all that one in. Oh, that looks nice, vibrant yellow. Love it. It's nice and quick meal. You can add other stuff if you really like to. Get that a little bit toasted with the seeded mustard. I just use the Woolies or one of the seeded mustards, whole grain mustard. Just let that sit for a minute. Some honey in. You just put in as much as you like, depending on how sweet you like it. I'll often put some in and then add to it if I think it's not sweet enough. And cream. You can use any cream, I just use the lactose-free cream. And that's 300 ml. This is all just adding how much. I haven't measured anything, so. And just let that simmer for a little bit. And then give it a little bit of a taste and see if you need any more honey or mustard. Get that nice and warm. And just let that simmer a bit. It's starting to get a bit of a simmer on it. I'm actually thinking it might need a little bit more mustard. Oh, I think I forgot my okay, I forgot to add a little bit of my Marcel's chicken stock powder. Always add a little bit of that in as well. Just a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. I love this stuff. Works great in meals. So if anyone out there's got any ideas on one-pan meals, quick, easy ones, please let me know. Interested to see if there's anything else that we can just cook up in the van. Just going to give that a bit of a taste. Oh, yum. A bit more honey. And a little bit more mustard. You want it to have that real mustardy flavour. I'm just going to wait for it to thicken up. I find that if it doesn't thicken up very much, I'll probably just add a little bit of corn flour and water. Might make it a little slurry, so thicken it up a bit. It's just a matter of letting that simmer a little bit. Oh, yum. So good. Okay, so the other thing we do too, when we lived in a house, I was forever just cooking rice. I used to do it the old-fashioned way in the pot. That's how my mum taught me. And then you rinse it in hot water and stuff like that. But I found since being on the road, I use packet rice. Yeah, we tend to just use this rice. Once it's warmed up, it works a treat. So we just use the basmati sunrice. And we just heat it up in the microwave. Throw that on the bottom and then throw the tea on top. Whether it's stir fry, this sort of thing, curries. I have got another one here. Might have to give hubby the taste test. See what he thinks. Need some more?
Just want a bit more honey, mate.
Oh, more honey. There you go. Tell who the sweet tooth is in this family. I didn't think you could hear me because you had headphones on. I'm just going to let that simmer for a little bit and I'll get a container for the rice. So we'll use the rest of this one. And open this one as well. Probably just, hubby does like his rice, but you just break it apart and once it's warmed up, you can't really tell. Some people probably like to cook their rice. I'm all for making things a little bit easier, especially being in the van now. What I might do too is just put in a few veggies this time as well, I think. Just so we get some veggies. And just warm that up when I'm ready. And do have some frozen veggies as well. All this stuff, when we're in a house, I used to just buy all fresh stuff. Everything was fresh and cooked, and I have to admit, since we've been in the caravan, just a little bit easier. And once they're in the stew or the curry or something like this, can't really tell anyway, so let's just add a few bits of this. That'll do. good. I like plenty of sauce on mine. I like to be able to soak a little bit of bread up, or, you know, soak into the rice. So delicious. Oh God, that's so good. I'm just going to let that sit and just cook a little bit. Okay guys, so it's nearly ready. You can see it's thickened up a little bit. I've warmed the rice up. I'm just going to put some of this on top. Just turn that off. Let's see what hubby thinks. Make sure he gets some veggies in there. Broccoli, some sauce. How does that look? Delicious. I'll grab some as well. There we go, all done. And here we are, the finished product. Let's see how hubby likes it. Here you go, darling.
We're on.
We're on.
Yum.
Let me know how you go.
Oh, look at that.
Got enough flavour? Delish. Let's eat.
Chicken.
Okay, let's eat tea.
Thank you.
No worries.